What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the keeps restarting error in MagicOS 8. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here tap on accessibility. Now tap on scheduled power on or off. And here you will see a scheduled power on off button. So if this button is turned on, then your phone will auto restart. So tap on this button to turn it off, and after that the auto restarting issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then open settings again. Now scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates, and then tap on software update. Now from here check if your phone's software is updated or not. So if it's not updated, then update the software to the latest version, and after updating the phone's software the restarting issue will be fixed. But after updating the software, if you're still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings one more time. Now scroll down to the end and here tap on system and updates, and then tap on reset. Now tap on reset phone, and then again tap on this reset phone option to confirm. So when you will tap on this option, it will reset your phone back to factory default, and everything from your phone will be deleted, including accounts, apps, music, photos, videos, files. Everything will be deleted. So tap on this option, and after that your phone will stop auto restarting. So that's how you can fix the auto restarting issue in MagicOS 8. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.